Hello, everybody. Welcome back for your week 23 of PE. Hopefully, you had a great weekend and your Super Bowl team won. So, this week we are continuing with our bicycle safety, but we are actually on the bikes. So, the next couple weeks, when we're actually on the bikes, um, the activities are going to be totally different than what we're doing because I really can't give you exactly what we're doing because we're on the bikes. So I am going to encourage you to use this time to get out on your bike and ride. And I will tell you what we are practicing. We are practicing on the bikes today. One, I'm going to do a helmet check. So I'm going to be looking for the two fingers that their helmet is sitting on their forehead. I'm going to be looking at the ear to see if they have that V shape. And then I'm going to be looking the chin to make sure they have the two finger space and not too much space between the chin strap and their chin. And then I'm going to divide them up into teams, and they are going to get on their bikes and they are going to practice this week using their left turn signal, which is their left arm out, as well as stopping at the stop signs, which is their left hand down. So that's what we're going to work on this week. If you can during this time, get out and ride your bike and practice those same skills in your neighborhood, that would be awesome. If you can't, I completely understand. So I'm going to give you some other options to do, but again, they have nothing to do with bicycle safety because it's just not something that's out there, right? It's just something you physically have to get out and do. If you can do it later with your family and you can ride your bike through the neighborhood and practice those skills, awesome, that works too. So let's look at what I've got for you this week. Your warm up is the Would You Rather Valentine's card edition. We know how this works. We've done many Would You Rathers. We know that Valentine's is on Sunday, so that'll give you something fun to look forward to and participate in. I also did this Valentine's Day trivia where it's going to test your knowledge about what you know about Valentine's Day. And then the third thing you're going to do that I gave you to do is a scavenger hunt. So this is a scavenger hunt fitness quest, and the directions are in here, but basically you're going to go find things around your house and touch them within a certain amount of time. And there will be a picture that will show you what you need to go and get or touch. You actually don't have to get it, you just have to touch it. And then a new picture pops up after that time's up. And now you go touch some other things. So it gets you up and moving, doing something different. And what we want is for you to be active during this time. So that wraps up your 3 activities for this week. Your standards are still the same. That has not changed. So if we look at those, 3rd grade, you want to know the difference between the correct and incorrect way to fit a bicycle helmet. 4th grade, discuss the importance of wearing a bicycle helmet. 5th grade, discuss the importance of being visible, being predictable, and communicating when you are bicycling. Okay, so that is going to wrap up your PE for today. So I hope you have some fun with those activities, or I hope you have some fun and safe bicycling. If you are able to get out there and bicycle at all this week, that would be great. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day on Sunday. Have some sweet treats in moderation, not too many. And I look forward to seeing you next week with our next skill that we're going to be practicing while riding the bikes. So have a great rest of your week, and I will see you next week. Bye.